When shipping to a trade show, there is no room for error. Every mishap or every delay will lose you time, sales, and reputation. Today, I'll teach you how to deliver to trade shows like a pro and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive in. Firstly, planning is probably one of the most important steps when delivering to a trade show. A lot of these trade shows have very strict guidelines, so you'll want to check out the following. Number one, check the events manual. A lot of these trade shows have different requirements such as different pallet heights or trailer heights, so you want to make sure you meet those requirements. Number two, you will need to confirm where your freight needs to go. It can either go to an advanced warehouse or directly to the show site. Advanced warehouses can accept the freight earlier, but with trade show sites, they have a very tight window that you need to deliver within. The second most important step to deliver to a trade show is documentation. It may not sound exciting, but that's where most of the issues come from. It could lead to delays, fines, and even lost freight. Here's what you need. Number one, you need accurate shipping label on every box, crate, or anything that is going to the trade show. The label should contain your company name, your booth number, your event name, and a sequence. So for example, 105, 205, 305, etc., etc. You should also make sure your BOL matches all the details of your business and of the trade show requirements. Now let's talk about packaging. Your stuff needs to get to the trade show in one piece, and this is how you can do that. Invest in durable packaging. Make sure everything that's going to a trade show has a label, like I mentioned earlier, and make sure you have a packing list for each crate just to ensure nothing gets lost. And here's a pro tip. Take pictures of everything that you send out. Trust me, it will save you so much time and so much hassle if you ever need to file a claim. Do you have a trade show coming up? With eShipper, you can get access to multiple carriers that can deliver to trade shows, competitive rates and flexible transit times, and most importantly, dedicated support to ensure everything goes smoothly. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe now for part 2, where I'll take you through what happens when you have to return your shipment back to your facility. Have a great day.